Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve. First, download and install the software from Blackmagic Design's official website. Once installed, launch the application and create a new project. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which includes the media pool for your assets, the viewer for playback, and the inspector for detailed adjustments. Then, import your video, audio, and image files into the media pool, ready for editing. Now, let's dive into editing. The cut page is perfect for quickly assembling your footage and making initial trims, allowing for rapid workflow. For more precise control, switch to the edit page. Here, you can fine-tune your timeline, add various transitions between clips, and apply a wide range of video effects. Don't forget to explore the titles and generators to add professional-looking text and graphics to your project. Next up, we'll enhance your visuals. The color page is where DaVinci Resolve truly shines, offering powerful tools for professional color correction and grading. You can adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation, and even perform secondary corrections on specific areas. For advanced visual effects and motion graphics, head over to the Fusion page. Here, you'll work with a node-based interface to build intricate composites and stunning animations. Finally, let's perfect your sound and share your masterpiece. The Fairlight page provides a complete digital audio workstation for editing, mixing, and mastering your sound. You can add background music, sound effects, and adjust individual track levels to achieve a balanced and professional audio mix. Once your project is complete, navigate to the Deliver page to export your video in a variety of formats, resolutions, and codecs, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.